Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Never Surrender token. Ticker symbol is Trump. Now this token doing very well today. Right now it's up 22%. They have a market cap in the millions. They're trending number 17 on Dex Screener right now. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. We're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to talk about a couple different ways that you can get this token. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Never Surrender Trump. 510 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here at Trumpns. Never surrender. Donald Trump's new slogan after the jury found him guilty of 34 charges. And it says this is not affiliated with, actual Trump or anything. And they have a link to their Telegram right there on the Twitter. They also have a link to their webpage right there, neversurrendertrump.vip. Their Twitter just joined in May 2024, brand new project. 1,067 followers, 52 tweets. But yeah, very brand new project. And they just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. So it says here on Poloniex Twitter, Poloniex new listing, Trumpns. Deposits and full trading time to be announced later. So it's not exactly up there now. But if you follow the Twitter right here, or you follow at Poloniex on Twitter, they're going to announce today when this token is going to be listed. Then you'll be able to download, if you don't have an account, download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, go into the trade section and search Trumpns, and then simply just buy the token. Now on Poloniex, they have it listed as Trumpns because there's already been tokens with the ticker symbol Trump and they don't want people to get confused. So they made this one Trumpns, so you would know that this is the Never Surrender token. But in actuality, if you are looking at their Etherscan or anywhere else, name of the token is Never Surrender, ticker symbol is Trump. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you wanted to get this token off a DEX, or if you, Poloniex is not available in your country, or you want to get it before it gets listed on Poloniex, you can get it off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use, fund it with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is again linked on that Twitter right there, neversurrendertrump.vip, you would trade your ETH for this token using the contract address on the webpage. On their webpage, you can find a how to buy section in case you didn't understand how I just explained it. You just go to their webpage, follow the how to buy steps. Links to their socials are on their community roadmap, tokenomics. All that stuff is on their webpage. They also have a live chart button. You click on that. They'll take you to Dex Tools. You could also check them out on Dex Screener. And there's even a buy button that'll take you directly to Uniswap. So it says here their partners are Etherscan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. So those are other places you can see the chart here. Now it does say 0% buy and sell tax. So you don't have to worry about slippage, buy, sells, and transfers are going to be zero. Right now they have 1,321 holders. They have an on-chain market cap of over $7 million. So this token is doing very well. Market cap $7 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. 9 decimal places on this token. And they have a max total supply of 420,690,000,000 tokens. So you can find them on Etherscan there. They'll give you that information. Now, they have here, it says, Trump campaign support dedicated to supporting Donald Trump's campaign and related political activities. They also have project development used for continuous development, technological enhancements, and ecosystem expansion, and marketing and promotion. So focused on marketing campaigns, community engagement, and brand awareness initiatives. Allocation of 5% of the total supply. Never surrender Trump, all rights reserved. Contact me at trumpneversurrender@outlook.com. That's the email for the dev there if you need to reach out. And let's click on the roadmap here. Actually, the roadmap doesn't seem to work yet. So they don't have a roadmap available on their page. Brand new project, though. It's in the works right now. So yeah, $7.2 million market cap. On Dex Screener, they're trending number 17 right now. $628,000 in liquidity on Uniswap. And if you click on the button right beside the liquidity on Dex Screener, it'll tell you that 66.71% of the total liquidity in Uniswap is locked and burned. So it's not all of it, so just be aware of that. Only 66.71%. Now they have a 24-hour trading volume of $4 million. You can see the price there on Dex Screener. Now this token pair on Uniswap was actually only created 2 days, 13 hours ago. So very brand new project. Now they don't have a perfect audit, so just be aware of that. They have 3 different audits on Dex Screener you can check out. Quick Intel Security has no warnings on their audit whatsoever. It says no honeypot, no hidden owner, a contract renounced, no blacklisting, no whitelisting. But then their Go Plus security audit says has whitelisting and blacklisting. So I don't know why that happens, but sometimes there's conflicting audits. One will say there is a blacklisting, one will say there isn't, and I don't know why. Token Sniffer gave them a score of 83 out of 100%, so that's not a perfect score either, so just be aware of that. Now, you can also see other quick audits on Dex Tools. So on Dex Tools and Dex Screener, you can check out. They have one by honeypot.is on Dex Tools. So also on Dex Tools, there's a conflicting audit where Go Plus Security says there is anti-whale. Quick Intel Security says there's not. And then Quick Intel Security also says other risks, which who knows what that means. But just be aware their audit is not perfect. So make sure you do your own research thoroughly before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.